Hello students, today we will learn about the nomenclature of carboxylic acid. So generally the carboxylic acid is shown with this structure RCOOH. So today we will learn how to give IUPAC name to this carboxylic acid. So we will learn with one specific example. So this is the carboxylic acid which contain 2 carbon. So as per the IUPAC rule, first we have to count the number of carbon atoms including the carboxylic group. So here we can see there are 2 carbon atoms. This is the first carbon atom, this is the second carbon atom. So what we have to do, we have to write the parent alkane considering the number of carbon atoms. So as we can see there are 2 carbon atoms. So the parent name will be ethane or the parent alkane will be ethane. So the second step of this IUPAC nomenclature is whatever the E in the name of parent alkane, that we have to remove and we have to add OIC followed by acid. So the IUPAC name of this 2 carbon acid will be ethanoic acid. Similarly, we can write down the names of other acids which contain different number of substituents. So we will begin with another example. For example, this is another acid which contain 3 carbon atoms. So as per the first step, we have to count the number of carbon atoms. So we can see here, this is the first carbon atom, this is the second carbon atom, this is the third carbon atom. So there are 3 carbon atoms. So the parent name will be propane. Now as per the rule, we have to remove the E from the parent name of the alkane and we have to add OIC followed by ACID, that's acid. So the IUPAC name of this 3 carbon acid will be propanoic acid. Now if there are any substituents which are present on a parent acid, then we have to add its name before the name of the acid. So here we will see one example. Here suppose if we have this kind of carboxylic acid, then now we have to give numbers. So if we count the number of carbon atoms, there are 4 carbon atoms, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So here we have to give the numbering like first, second, third and 4. So there are 4 carbon atoms. So we can say the 4 carbon atom parent alkane will be butane. So the name will be butane. Now as per the rule, what we have to do? We have to remove this E and then we have to add OIC followed by acid. Now next we have to give the substituent position. So here we can see at 2 position or at 2 carbon number there is a substituent chlorine. So we have to write down 2 chlorobutanoic acid. So this way we can do the IUPAC nomenclature of the different carboxylic acids.